Hi, you two. Good afternoon, or maybe good evening to you, or maybe good morning to you. This video you will be learning a new chapter, which is chapter 15, which is time. You're going to deal with a lot. You're going to deal with clock, like a lot. Okay, time chapter 15. Okay, usually like I have a clock with me. Usually we always like see this clock. We call this as analog clock. Analog, okay? ANALOGUE. Analog, okay? And this clock looks like this, and the short needle points at one number, and then the long needle points at this, like the small line here. But how do you read these lines? Okay. Is it 11 3 or 11 3 1, or this one, for example? Okay, is it like 3 here, or maybe here 41 2 3 4 43 44? Okay, we never know. This video will teach you how to read clock, okay? Analog clock, not digital clock. Usually digital clock, they already mentioned to you how to read the clock, like 4 45 10 35. Okay, for this one analog clock, you will learn how to read this one in this video. Okay, the most important thing in this video is you remember multiplication table, skipping count by 5. Remember? 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 5, 15. Okay, it's like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, and the numbers goes and on and on and on. Okay, skip count by 10. Okay, for example, if this short needle points at number 10, okay, here, and then this long needle points at number 5. No. Eraser. Short needle here, and then long needle here. Alright, how do you skip count? This one, the small lines here means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this number here, it stops at number 5, which shows the minute one. The minute is 25 minutes. Okay, this is what I mean by skipping count by 5. 1 is equal to 5 minutes. 2 is equal to 10 minutes. 3 is equal to 15 minutes. If you look at these numbers, it looks like skipping count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, this one you already know. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and the last one, lastly, 60. Okay, this is what skipping count by 5. Okay, when you want to read the long needle, the minute one, you skip count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, now the hour needle. Okay, now you measure this needle, and then you see where does this needle stop. Stop at. measure and then you put a line here. It stops after number 10. Okay. If it stops at after number 10 means it is 10 o'clock. You have to take the number before it. Okay. Before it. Okay. So the hour clock is 10 and then the minute one. What is the minute one? Here. 25. Okay. The minute needle or the long needle is 25. So how do you write? 10.25. Okay. Which means 10 o'clock 25 minutes. Alright. So that's how you read the clock. Skip count by 10. Okay. Now, from this one, you can already do practice page 100 and also 33. Okay. Complete this one 133 where you have to mention all the skip count points. Skip counting by 5. Alright, now we need to learn how to write the clock. Okay, this one is when you want to write the clock in forms of numbers, but you also should be able to write the clock in writing form. Okay, how do you write the numbers, the clock in writing form? First, you mention minute. Like how many minutes here? 25. So you write 25 minutes. After that, you can put the hour one. Okay, hour one. 25 minutes after what? After 10. After what is this number? What is this number? This is number 10, right? Okay, 10 after what? After 10 o'clock. Okay. So what should you do first? First you mention 25 minutes. And then you use the word after. After what? Then you have to check the hour needle, the short needle after 10. After 10 o'clock. Alright. Let's do second example. Mana duster? Where is my duster? It dropped. Okay, we erase the long needle and also the short needle. And then I am pointing the short needle at number here. And the long needle, the minute one, I stop at here. This is usually the time when I start my car and go to school. Okay, so the minute needle and hour. Okay, what time is it? What time is it? You look at the hour needle and measure at what place we stop at. Okay, it stops here. Okay, it stops here. Then you have to take the number before 8, which is this one, 7. Before 8, remember, before the dotted line, not after, okay? Before the dotted line. So it's 7 point. Then you have to write the minute. Look at the long needle and see it stops at 3. And then you skip count by 5. Okay, 5, 10, 15. Okay, so this one is 15. Skipping count by 5, 3 symbolizes 15 for minute. So 7, 15. Okay, 7, 15 minutes. Then how do you write this clock in terms of writing form? First, you start with the minute one. 15 minutes. 15 minutes what? 15 minutes after. Then you take the hour clock, the hour needle. The short needle is 7. After 7 o'clock. So it is 15 minutes after 7 o'clock. It's like 15 minutes after 7. Okay. 15 minutes after 7. Okay, alright. So that's how you read the clock. Isn't it easy? Okay, since you have learned how to read time, how to read the minute needle, and how to read the hour needle, then you can do practice. Practice for page. I want you to do 3 pages only. Enough for this weekend. Okay, 4 pages. 4 pages. And the pages are 137, your workbook, page 137 until 140. Okay, 137 until 140. If you don't remember how do I read the short needle, the long needle, you can always replay this video, okay? And then when you want to do the practice, if you don't understand, you can ask me through your parents, or maybe you can ask your siblings and also get help from your parents, okay? But I will always be available for you. Okay, these are the pages. I have to show this carefully to you because it contains answers. 137, 138. Okay, this page it does not have answer. 138, 139, 139, and the last page 140. Okay, 140. Now you can buy your own watch and a lock watch like this, and then wear like how I wear it, and then read the clock like what time is it. Then you can check what is my next class, what time is my next class. This knowledge is really helpful, okay, to help you to be on time. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you don't have any problem with the practices in the workbook, and thank you. See you next week.